Hello lovely friends, welcome to my first ever DIY video. Today I am showing you 3 simple crafts using repurposed items from around your home, plus maybe a few extra materials. These DIYs are designed to promote gratitude, relieve stress or anxiety, and simply keep you grounded to things that really matter most. So let's get started with our very first craft, where we use an old repurposed tissue box. A way to keep track of moments when God shows up in your life. When He answers a prayer. As humans, we go through ups and downs. Some days feel harder than others. There are times when we can see with clarity how God works and shows Himself in our lives. But there are also times when we may begin to doubt Him or start to lose faith. Whenever something good happens in your life, take note of this. Write down each time God blesses you in some way that you have acknowledged. When God answers even the tiniest of your prayers, write it down. Save each of these moments and keep them in a box of your specific individual design. This way, whenever you begin to lose faith or hope, or you're experiencing a difficult season of life, peer into this box filled with the good moments and the answered prayers. Allow this to motivate you to keep moving forward with hope, joy, and gratitude. A way to let go of worries, fears, and anxieties. When your mind is consumed by what is out of your control. Every day is a day in paradise because we get to live and breathe. But even paradise has choppy waters sometimes. At times, we have fears and worries because our future is unknown. Will my life go back to normal with this pandemic? Will my relative be cured from cancer? Will my boyfriend break up with me? Worrying is exhausting. Whenever you feel a fear creeping into your headspace, take note of this. Identify areas of your life that cause you anxiety, stress, and worry. When your inner peace feels disrupted, write this down and save each moment. By acknowledging your worries and writing them into a tangible existence, you now have something to physically let go of. Each time you place a fear into the jar, you are letting go of that fear and giving it up to God. When the same worry tries to resurface within you, you can now say, "No. This worry is in God's hands now. I am moving on and living freely without it." A way to free yourself from negative thoughts in any moment, no matter where you are. Stress and worry knows no boundaries. We aren't always in the comfort of our homes or dorm rooms to utilize the previous 2 decor DIYs. We need something to have on hand at all times. As a simple reminder, design a bracelet and add beads or knots, which each symbolize something that you are grateful for. Anytime you begin to feel down or worried, go one by one and feel each knot, thinking about something that you are grateful for. Allow this to take your mind back to a positive place. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that these crafts can inspire you. If you do end up trying any of these and putting your own spin on them, be sure to send them to my Instagram. You can DM me or tag me, whichever works for you, at South Lincoln Studio. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you are grateful for. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.